Hey guys, it is Final Rant. We are back with another video, another banger. No, let me stop. So I literally just got in from the gym. I'm super tired, super hungry. Already had my protein. I do need some. It is time for me to eat some real meat. So we're about to run to the kitchen and we're going to do a healthy meal today. I'm going to be making lettuce wraps with beef. So yeah, if this is something you want to see, definitely stay tuned. I'm going to show y'all the ingredients. I'm also going to put it below in the description box so y'all can see that ahead of time and make sure you have all the ingredients that you need. If you have any other questions, just feel free to drop them below.
Okay, so we're going to start off by chopping up some onion. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of that, and then we're going to mince some garlic. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of that as well. You can use garlic out of the bottle if you prefer, but I wanted to use fresh because it just gives more flavor. So if you do it fresh, make sure you chop up the garlic pieces very tiny as I did in the video. Otherwise, you're going to have chunks of garlic in the food and it's not going to taste right. It's best to use a big knife like the one I'm using now to chop the garlic. You can move way faster, way more efficient.
So after that, we're going to add our garlic and onion.
At this point, there should be oil in your pot already, and the setting should be on saute. This is going to cook very fast, so make sure you watch it. You're going to be looking for the onion to turn translucent and for the garlic to start to get aromatic. This recipe calls for 2 pounds of beef, so one of these little packs that I'm putting in is 1 pound, so we'll be using 2 of those. Saute the meat until it's no longer pink. I like to go through and chop up my meat so that the flavor can touch each and every piece of it. Now that your meat is brown, go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients on the list. After all of your ingredients have been added, you're going to add a cup of water. Now here is where the magic happens.
It already looks delicious.
Now you're going to twist the lid closed. You'll hear a musical sound once you've done it correctly. Make sure your spout is closed and that it won't allow venting. That's how the pressure cooking is done. We're going to allow this to cook for 3 minutes on a high pressurized cooking. Carefully allow the pressure to release all the way before opening the lid. Open the lid facing away from you so that the steam does not go on your skin or into your face.
Okay, smells delightful.
I saute this for just a few more minutes just to burn off the extra water, and then I add some more pepper and some cayenne and chile just for extra added flavor. Then we're going to top it off with some sesame teriyaki, and then you'll be ready to serve. And this is what the final dish will look like. Let me know if you guys try this out at your house. Let me know how it goes, how it tastes. Um, and if you want to see any more quick, healthy meals, be sure to thumbs up this video and make sure you're subscribed.